Yeah, so Caroline, so this is an interesting question, right? Like, will you take the role of teachers or principals? So again, in fact, Caroline, I was speaking at a conference in Wellington just a few days ago, and I know you were there. And the role of AI is going to be assisting teachers and assisting principals. At the moment, that is very, very likely, and the more that you use it that way, the better. However, I can definitely imagine in the future that it will be taking away some of those roles. And it may be like if you think about the education sector, so it's not going to necessarily replace a teacher or a principal right away, but who might it replace? Maybe a tutor, because AI is really good at tutoring, like helping students one on one. So instead of them engaging a tutor, they might engage ChatGPT, and then they still have the backup of the primary source, which is the classroom teacher. So some of those roles are definitely going to go. As I think, Rebecca, you just confirmed exactly what I was saying there. So the pastoral care and the community engagement, that's all still really relevant, but some of those other things might disappear. It's interesting, John. So you say tradies are safe? Yeah, so I remember years ago, another leadership speaker, futurist, said, I'm going to teach my kids to be bricklayers because that's a job that'll never disappear. And then soon after, they came up with, there was news about this robotic bricklayer that could build a house in a day, right? And so that sort of thing is happening right now.